now we're home. We got our ice chest. Let's check out what we got. Some wonderful, beautiful blue crabs. I think I counted 14. I'm not 100% sure. I know the biggest one we caught was about 7 inch. So now I'm going to do the cleaning. Dig the sucker out. Measure him up right quick. Looks about 6.5 roughly. You go from point to point. You've got to be at least 5. This one's 6.5. See that? Okay. So now how we clean them is take this hand here, or whichever hand is your predominant hand. Grab a hold up underneath, grab a hold of the point, and you pop your shell right off. See all this stuff in here? These are the gills. You don't want to eat that stuff, okay? So you want to tear his face off, basically. A nice little trash can here, ready to catch all the droppings and stuff. Take his gills on out, all this nastiness out. And while I'm doing this, I'll explain why I wear gloves. I don't like the way they feel. They're slimy, it's nasty. Yeah, it's not a pleasant experience for me, so I don't like it. Anywho, take all this gunk out from the inside. All this stuff. You want to get back here, grab a hold of that little flap right there, and pull down. You take his reproductive organ off. See that? Get that up out of there. Okay? Try to get as much gunk out of there as you can. And what you do is you grab yourself a water hose and you spray it. Get all that gunk out of there. All that junk. Now there's some people that eat the insides. They call it crab butter. I don't eat it. I don't see the point in that. I think it's nasty. It doesn't taste great. That's just my preference. Of course, everyone's different. I'm not going to eat the crab until it's a nice, clean crab. A nice, properly cleaned crab. Just like so. And that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking for. Something like this. We'll put it down. We got one clean crab so far. See the shell? And that's what they look like. And this is the actual part, just for reference. This is the actual part you want to measure. This is what you want to measure from that point to that point. Now sometimes you'll come across a crab that'll have like a cracked or missing spike. So you just go what you think more or less will be it. This one was roughly at about a 6 1/4, but I cut that off so y'all could see it. But sometimes they do come out of the water beat up like that. Sometimes they'll only have one claw, sometimes they'll be missing legs, that kind of deal. Let's see if I can find that big 7. I know we caught a 7 today. This one doesn't look like a 7, but we can try it. Let me see, Mama. Try to get that ass out of there. This one, that's not it. So we'll put him back. I wanted to do the biggest one so y'all can see size differential. I think it might be this big boy back here. So we'll check him out. From point to point. Yeah, this is the one. From point to point, he's a 7. See that? From point to point, he's a 7. So again, for reference points, in case y'all didn't hear it the first time, second time, third time, they have to be at least 5 inches here in Texas. 5 inches from point to point. If they're not 5 inches, you can't keep it. Now, fishermen can keep one. Has to be dead. Has to be cut in half, basically. And they'll tell you, the game wardens will stop you and tell you. Has to be cut in half. Has to be stored in an ice chest. And you can only have one, and that's for fishing purposes. For bait. Take off all this gunk, like I said. I'm not sure if this is his butthole or not, but that's what I call it. Clear. Nice, clear, clean butthole. Nobody likes a dirty butthole. I mean, I'm just saying. I don't know. You're dirty. I'm sorry. Sorry, children. Anywho. Grab our water hose again. And clean them out. Get all that junk out of there. There's gonna be some splashback. Be ready for that. It's normal. I mean, shit, you know, you're cleaning a blue crab. You know what I mean? You're gonna have some splashback. It's gonna happen. It's like, besides anything worth doing, you're gonna get dirty doing. Right? Right on. Right on. There we go. Now, in case y'all don't know, and it's just for reference, all these channels here, all these little channels in here, all that's meat. This little shell right here, you take off that exterior shell, you take out what's the interior of the body, you can trace back. Every single leg's got a little bit of meat in it. The heart of the meat's going to be right in here, all right in here. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And again, I'll show you the point to point. I looked more like a 7 when he had the body on. Now it looks like 6 1/4 or 6 3/4. Still a massive crab though. Still a pretty massive crab. We'll do a couple more, and then we'll call the video good and we'll post it. And y'all can watch it and let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not gonna do them all because if I do, we'll be here forever. Me explaining, talking, doing the whole 9. I tend to get a little repetitive every now and again. Again, you want to hold them down here. Take this other hand. Make sure you don't poke yourself with this, your thumb there. Okay. Pull back. Here's this. His face. Here's the gills. All that nastiness in there. Like I said, there's some people who boil them whole. There's some people who eat this interior. I am not one of them. I am sorry. I am not one of them. And again, I wear gloves. I don't like their slimy bodies. I'm not trying to feel all that stuff. It's just not a very satisfying feeling, I guess you would say, for lack of a better explanation. And for those of y'all wondering if I'm getting my GoPro wet, I have it in a water-safe case. I'm using this GoPro the first time for this video. This is the first time use. I'm going to let the GoPro software do the editing. I'm trying to get better at this. I'm hoping to be posting more videos. So you don't have to like and subscribe or any of that other junk, but if you do, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, hopefully, with crab catching and cleaning, and hopefully at some point cooking. Someone told me recently about smoking blue crabs, and I am very intrigued. I must say, I am very intrigued. So I am thinking about smoking some blue crab here at some point. I was thinking maybe some chupacabra seasoning and some hickory chips, maybe. Trying to think, you know, flavor profile wise, you know, for the crabs, that kind of deal. What would seem good? What would seem like it would work? And every now and again you end up like this, so just peel back on the other side, get it out, you'll be all right. And the next one I'll do left-handed, so y'all can see the process using the left-handed method. There's no wrong way to do it. There really isn't. Just make sure it's clean. That's if you prefer to clean them, of course. Some people, like I said, some people do eat them with all this gunk and nastiness in them. I don't do all that. I am Hispanic. I do eat cow, all parts of cow, tripas and menudo and mollejas and all that good stuff. Let's see, tripe, tripas, menudo, of course, is self-explanatory, and mollejas, I believe they call it sweet bread. That's what they call it, sweet bread. Usually what I have to look for when I go to the grocery store looking for some mollejas, I look for sweet bread. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Anywho, I just don't eat the interior of the crab itself. I think it's right. That's what you're looking for. Plain and simple. We got 5 beautiful clean blue crab. Let's get these damn bugs off of it. Look at this shit. Y'all see this? It's a little buggy in there. Looks like a little gnat. I'm gonna have to spray him out. We do this outdoors. There's no chance of doing it indoors. I don't have a water hose inside, so I got that little buggy out of there. Nice and clean now. No buggy. You damn little gnats got in there. Gnat got in there, Mama. You believe that? Fucking gnat got in there. All right, so I did say I was gonna do this one with the other hand. Okay. I don't always measure them. It's just something I like to do so that I know more or less what I caught that day. This one's a 6. Right there you can see the 6. So now it's gonna feel kind of weird because I don't usually do it this way, but put it down underneath over here, like that. Take your thumb, get up at the point, and pop. Simple, easy. We'll get over here, throw all this stuff out. Mama's doing one, see? Get the whole family involved. It's something you can do with the kiddos. Do with the grandparents. Well, I don't know what the grandparents. Grandparents are squeamish, and the babies are squeamish too. And of course, some 18-year-old boys are squeamish as well. Got an 18-year-old boy inside the house. Said, no, I'm not cleaning any crabs today. I'm like, whatever, dude. We actually took him on Friday. We've gone crabbing twice this weekend. Took him on Friday, and we didn't get too many. I think we got 6 keepers, right, Mama?
Yeah.
6 keepers. Today, of course, we went. I believe the count was 13. So we deemed him bad luck, and he's not going back out with us. I know that seems messed up. Of course, I'm just joking. The kiddos will always go. They'll always accompany. Plus, it's fun. It's a family thing you can do together. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing or not. I think I might have gone too far from the camera. Sorry about that. Apologize. Well, yep, that's the process. That's how we do it. And that's what we're looking for. Beautiful, clean, blue crab. Of course, we're making pastor tacos tonight, so I'm not gonna cook them tonight. But next time around, hopefully, we'll do the catch, cook, and then clean, or catch, clean, and then cook. I'm sorry, and hopefully we'll be using a smoker to smoke these suckers up. And well, hopefully we'll see y'all then. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.